In the echo of wisdom, be thankful for what you have. You'll end up having more. If you concentrate on what you don't have, you will never ever have enough. A profound truth to ponder. Firstly, gratitude. It's more than just an attitude. It's a mindset, a perspective that shifts our focus from scarcity to abundance. When we express thankfulness, we magnify the blessings that are already in our lives. Secondly, the power of focus. What we choose to concentrate on grows in our reality. If we dwell on lack, it multiplies. But if we focus on abundance, it expands. So choose your focus wisely. In this dance of life, may gratitude and focus guide your steps.